a great name in the world of philosophy, who was born in the house of a stonemason in Athens, Rome, in 469 BC. This philosopher started examining everything on the basis of 3 questions and covered the horizon of knowledge. His genius was talked about all over Rome. The 3 questions on the basis of which the doors of knowledge were opened to Socrates. These are the questions: 1. How, the 2nd, when, and the 3rd, why. These questions became the 3 keys that opened the locks of wisdom in front of Socrates. Thus he laid the foundation of modern philosophy. At that time, it was customary that every young man had to join the army after reaching a certain age. So Socrates also joined the army and raised flags of bravery in many battles. Regarding his personal life, Socrates had 2 marriages. His first wife's name was Marito. She was a family woman, but he died in the plague of Athens. Thus, Socrates married a second time at the age of 50. His second marriage was to a woman named Renithebe, who was a very bad-tempered woman, who never respected Socrates. Socrates' second wife gave him nothing but 3 children and abuse. Socrates met Plato, another philosopher of the same period, through a dream. For about a month, Socrates continues to dream that a beautiful bird is singing and has a bead in its beak, which it puts around Socrates' neck and leaves. One day in the market of Athens, Socrates heard a beautiful young man humming the same song and embraced him. In this way, Plato became a student of Socrates and started making his place in the world of science and philosophy. Discussions of Socrates' knowledge and wisdom began to take place throughout Rome. The youth of the country began to be influenced by Socrates, on behalf of Socrates, leaving many gods and worshipping one God. He raised the voice of salvation from the evils spread in the society. But he was prosecuted in the court of Athens, during which he silenced everyone with his knowledge and wisdom. But the elite of that era were ready to punish him with death. Thus, the court sentenced Socrates to death and put him in prison. It was in this prison that Socrates committed suicide by drinking poison. Thus the world lost a great philosopher.